Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. Price prediction. Filecoin price today is $5.90 with a 24-hour trading volume of $830.27 million, market cap of $2.38 billion, and market dominance of 0.2%. The FIL price increased 2.33% in the last 24 hours. Based on data from March 22, 2023 at 1:35, the general Filecoin price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 7 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 19 signaling bearish signals. FIL price prediction was last updated on March 22, 2023 at 1:35. Filecoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $5.93, Filecoin has support levels of $5.47, $5.24, and the strongest at $4.77. Similarly, Filecoin resistance levels are at $6.16, $6.63, and $6.86. Filecoin reached its highest price on April 1, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $236.16, while Filecoin's lowest price was recorded on December 16, 2022 when it was trading at its all-time low of $2.54. The lowest price since its ADH was $2.54, cycle low. The highest FIL price since the last cycle low was $9.39, cycle high. The Filecoin price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 68, greed. Filecoin's current circulating supply is 403.36 MFAL out of max supply of 321.89 MFAL. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 124.24%, meaning 223.48 MFIL were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Filecoin is currently ranked number 17 in the Layer 1 sector. Filecoin is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 9 days, since March 12, 2023. The price of Filecoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 1 days, since March 20, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 630 days ago, on June 29, 2021. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 22, 2023, which was 27 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Filecoin's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $5.11 by April 20, 2023. Filecoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $5.11 by April 20, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 45.95, which indicates that the FIL market is in a neutral position. According to our current Filecoin price prediction, the value of Filecoin is predicted to drop by -5.47% and reach $5.58 by March 26, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 68, greed. Filecoin recorded November 30th, 37%, green days with 14.29% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Filecoin forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Filecoin. Comparing Filecoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Filecoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Filecoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, FIL price prediction for year 2026 is $204.22 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Filecoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $23.43. News. Deep dive into the Filecoin virtual machine. Marks the milestone launch of the Filecoin virtual machine, FVM. Similar to Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, but for smart contracts on the Filecoin network, FVM aims to make the open storage economy more attractive to developers and users. Filecoin's FVM implications. Just like Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, enables developers to code and deploy dApps on Ethereum, the same is now possible for Filecoin. Both are programming frameworks that execute code on a blockchain network in a standardized fashion. While node providers enact the blockchain's consensus mechanism, virtual machines run on top to execute smart contracts bridged to the user-facing dApp interface. But what does it mean that Filecoin virtual machine, FVM, now provides a standardized environment to execute smart contracts on the Filecoin network? Specifically, FVM uses a WASM-based polyglot execution environment for IPLD data. In non-jargon terms, this has several important implications. Standing for WebAssembly, WASM is a low-level bytecode format that can be used to run code in web browsers and other environments. As FVM is WASM-based, it can support smart contract coding in multiple programming languages compiled into WebAssembly. Hence, the polyglot term. Building on top of that is IPLD data, standing for interplanetary linked data. This format allows FVM to represent and link data across decentralized networks like Filecoin or Ethereum. As a result, IPLD's universal format makes it easier to build dApps that can interact with data from multiple sources. In short, the new Filecoin virtual machine, FVM, opens the floodgates to developers. They can write smart contract code in their preferred programming language as long as it can be compiled into WebAssembly. This significantly expands Filecoin's flexibility as it lowers the barrier to entry. A data-driven economy? What can developers do with FVM, given its data-centric nature? As explained, the execution framework runs on top of the Filecoin consensus layer. Consequently, FVM doesn't directly interact with data stored on the network's nodes. But FVM can control how that data gets utilized, stored, edited, and maintained. In practical terms, this translates to data DAOs, standing for Decentralized Autonomous Organizations. As a type of dApps, these blockchain-based data repositories can be created for various purposes: research databases, indexing NFT collections, blockchain-based Wikipedia, gaming metaverse assets, etc. In turn, developers could tokenize stakes in such data DAOs and make them marketable. These tokens would then provide an incentive mechanism to pay for services related to data analysis or even to bolster the collection of raw data. Consequently, this is the baseline for creating a feedback loop for a new data-centric economy. Regarding finance, Filecoin's team sees FVM as helping create time-locked transactions using external beacons. This would be handy in futures trading, as developers could program transactions to occur at a specific time. Likewise, developers could prevent unauthorized access to sensitive financial data. This is made possible with a capability orientation programming model that restricts access to specific resources, in this case, storage. For example, this could also restrict unauthorized access to a blockchain-based Wikipedia. Additionally, FVM's native primitives for cross-chain interoperability enable developers to code smart contracts that interact with other blockchains, facilitating financial services across multiple networks. Lastly, FVM could help developers in providing computation correctness proofs. These are mathematical proofs that their code is correct and will execute as intended, improving the security of financial dApps on Filecoin. WebAssembly, WASM, is a sandbox environment that can prevent malicious code from compromising the network's security. Thank you for watching today's video on cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.